Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. So what if I told you that there's a printer out there that can revolutionize the way you work on large format projects? No more tedious manual switching, no more wasted ink, just pure, unadulterated productivity. This printer is a game changer for professionals in the architecture, engineering, and construction fields. Whether you're creating detailed maps, posters, or technical drawings, this HP DesignJet T650 has got you covered. The level of precision and accuracy it provides is simply unmatched, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who needs to produce high-quality large-format prints. Now, let's dive into some of the key features that make this printer stand out from the competition. First up, we've got the included 2-year extended warranty, including on-site and remote support, HP parts, and fast next business day device service if your issue can't be resolved. That's peace of mind, folks. No more worrying about whether you'll be able to get help when you need it most. Another feature that's sure to impress is the media handling system. With sheet feed, roll feed, automatic sheet/roll switch, and a media bin, this printer makes it easy to switch between different types of media without having to lift a finger. And with a huge range of media sizes, up to 36 inches wide and 13 inches by 19 inches, you'll be able to print on whatever project comes your way. But what really sets the HP DesignJet T650 apart is its simplicity and cost-effectiveness. With the automatic sheet feeder accessory, you can print multi-size projects without having to manually switch media sources. That's a huge time saver, and with ink costs at just 95% less than other competitor plotter printers, you'll be saving money in no time. And let's not forget about the included HP Click software. With PDF error checking, alerts, and autonesting, you can save even more time by automatically predefining your print settings. And with integration with popular design and CAD applications, it's easy to print directly from your files, just drag and drop them into the printer. Now that we've covered some of the key features, let's talk about what customers are saying about this printer. We've got 25 reviews under its belt, and overall, it scored a solid 4 out of 5 stars. Of course, no product is perfect, but based on what customers have shared, it seems like this printer has genuinely impressed them. One thing that stood out to me in my research is how popular this printer is among professionals in the field. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or construction professional, this printer seems to be a go-to tool for producing high-quality large-format prints. And with its impressive range of media sizes and automatic sheet feeder, it's no wonder why. That being said, I do want to mention one potential issue that some customers have reported: the occasional jam or slowdown when printing on certain types of media. However, HP's on-site support team is quick to respond, so you're not alone if this happens to you. All in all, I think the HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their large format printing capabilities. With its impressive range of features, ease of use, and peace of mind from the included warranty, it's definitely worth considering. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.